I was taking a 10 ml shot of cough medicine while my girlfriend lay next to me. She suddenly said, "That's one fat baby," and in a sleep-deprived moment, I decided to respond with "I'm not that fat" while swallowing the medicine. I laughed at my own joke, and the medicine went down the wrong way, causing me to choke. I sprinted to the bathroom, sticky cough syrup spraying everywhere, convinced I was about to be sick. It was a rubbish joke, but I have a gift for making bad one-liners that only I find funny. This time, it nearly killed me.